Hey, Brandon, take this man's money and count it, so I'm getting out of here.
Mike.
Yo. Hi.
What's up? I'm headed up there to grab the motor from you. I was just looking through the email because I'm going to stop, grab you some money. I was looking through the email. What did you do the compression on that?
Whatever it was you wanted, I forget. I have to go in the office.
Well, you wrote 12.5 to 1 in the email. It was supposed to be 12 to 1. I'm just, maybe it was a typo.
It could be.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to stop at the bank, grab some money for you. I'll be up there shortly. I PayPal'd you over.
Take your time.
Why?
Well, I'm on my way out the door. This very anxious to go up to the machine shop, and then when I come back, what time is it now?
I'm not sure. What time is it? It's 10. It's like 9 to 10. It's like.
Okay, I'm only going to be here between 11 and 12, and then I go to the eye doctor.
Alright, that'll be perfect. I'll be there in between that time. I still got to get my trailer and stuff.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
Bye.
Bye. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Boosted Addictions here with another video. So I just got a call from, actually an email from Mike over in L&M. Everything is assembled and back together. So I'm going to head over there now, and I'm going to go get my flat trailer first because I got to move some, I want to move a toolbox to the new shop. But I'm going to go over, grab the toolbox, and we're going to grab the motor, and we're going to bring it to the shop. And I'm probably not going to start assembling it until after Thanksgiving, probably Friday I'm shooting for. So stay tuned. So we're all set up. We got the engine back. We got it at the shop. Everything's a go. We should have, there's nothing else I need really to put the engine back together. I have everything, the motor's back, so it's together. So we're going to start that on Friday. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So hopefully Friday I can start it and then work through the weekend. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to this. You know, I was talking with Mike, over at L&M, and about like the break-in period and stuff. And he said, send it. He said, nowadays you can just send them. He said, you know, if you were doing like a, well, you know what? I actually recorded the whole conversation. I'll put a video up. I'll put a clip in. What'd you say, gospel?
Yeah.
What's that mean? That's an old school term. You gotta break me now
Go
with
to
that.
church?
Yeah, but gospel is like,
gospel,
that's the
supposed
truth. Is that what that means? It's the truth. All right.
You can't refute that.
And the balance, we put the balance order.
We have to.
Right. All right. So.
And then we added this to it. Well, $57 for that bolt. You need the bolt.
Oh yeah.
And the washer.
All right. So what do I owe you?
41. 70.
Oh, what's the break-in period?
Drive it like you stole it. Do you have to tune this yet? It's tuned?
Yeah, I'm gonna. It is tuned. Yeah.
Okay.
No break-in?
It has to be tuned to drive it.
That's what. Well, it's tuned. There's a light tune on it right now.
Well, it can't be rich.
Okay.
Okay? So, you drive it just like you were to drag race it, or you run it on a dyno, which is like drag race.
So no break-in.
That's the break-in.
Wow.
Don't pussyfoot around.
Okay.
It's always been that way. People fucking, somehow the internet grabbed it and fucked it up. There's mixed.
You
don't go, there ain't no mix. It's been 100 fucking years.
Well, what I'm saying is now there's guys that say drive it like you stole it or break it in 500 miles.
The issue is, we're talking in the 60s, 50s. The issue is you don't want to overheat the ring.
Right. But that the issue's no more.
It's still there. But the issue, to overheat the ring, you'd have to do 1 mile, 2 mile race.
And not, you're right, constantly into the gears.
So if you do a fucking drag race and it's 8 seconds or whatever the fuck it is, right?
It's not enough.
By then, the ring's starting to get toasty, but you ain't overheating the ring, and now you're done. You're going to fucking... So back in the 60s, it would say, do exercise, change the speed, but don't do steady state. That was the same today. Steady state doesn't load the engine up. You got to push the ring out, which means you got to load the engine.
Right.
More so today because we have
quick loads though, not duration loads. Just
correct. Yeah.
So the bearings
Today,
really already.
it's even worse because the rings are low tension. So you actually need high combustion pressure to push the ring out. In the old days, the ring was really stiff and it had a ton of pressure on its own, so you didn't have to fucking load the piss out of it. But you still had to actually exercise the engine.
Right.
So you get on a turnpike to 60, back off a little bit, cruise, 60. Same thing we're doing today.
Okay.
None of this.
So what about
shit.
the bearings? Bearings pretty much.
There's no braking.
There's no braking. They start spinning, they break in, right? All right, here, let me pay you.
So drive it. You know.
Of it. But yeah, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Chris over there. Chris is one of their top engine builders. Awesome dude, really, really precise and he's just good, man. Like I had the opportunity to watch him work on a few different engines, and he is just measurements, everything to a T, down on pen and paper. He's just good, man. Marks every nut, every bolt. Like, the man he's very talented. So big shout out to him, and shout out to Brandon. Brandon, thanks for the head work. That didn't really sound too good. You know what I mean. There are two of them. I'm pretty much set up, really. Ooh. What's up, man?
What's that?
You tell me. So whose cars are these? Are these shop cars or customers?
No, that bottom one's Denise's car, and the top one's mine.
Oh, nice. Is this the bad boy?
That's it.
How is that balancer? Is that?
That's a new balancer.
Oh, you didn't put an ARP on there. Or ATI.
Yeah, you want to listen to ATI? We said.
Yeah.
Did they not have an ATI warranty? I don't know.
Fuck. Alright.
I don't know.
I just don't want any problems like at the track, you know what I mean?
Oh, I hear you.
I know a lot of the times they...
Car anyway, right?
Huh?
They're turbo car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's that mean?
You'd be alright with that balance. You don't need to change it out.
The plugs. What did you do with them? Okay, cool. Oh, cool. You changed that dial pin too?
Some of it.
I'll take everything, really. I mean, I like to keep some of the shit. Yeah. What do you have?
I mean, we got all the factory bolts, your bent valves.
No pistons, right? Pistons?
Pistons.
Yeah.
I mean, main bearings. This has got plugs and stuff in it.
Alright, so I guess I'll just take everything, I guess.
Alright, I'll box you up then.
Alright, cool. Need help or you're good? They're not my intake. Yeah, we're gonna throw this oil cooler on real quick. Alright.
Yeah, this new truck, was it a tire?
Oh, I had this 4x6 or 6x6s. They were wedged up here.
Okay.
And then I think one was close to the oil cooler, and then the fucking motor mount was on there. Yeah, I really like how precise you are, man. All the X's and shit, so you know what you tightened and stuff.
Yep.
And
Every input and bolt fix that.
nice.
We put that on here.
All the pistons and shit. Yeah. I want all that shit. Yeah, wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be even worse. looking forward to this. I'm excited. Murph's gonna come over Friday and help with the install. Hopefully I can get my boy Josh to come over to help me undress the engine. But we'll see what happens. If not, whatever, we can handle it. But I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. But please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Ring that bell. Stay up to date with all my upcoming videos and following this build. Guys, I really appreciate all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. I think we're at like 1,700 or something, pushing 1,800. Like, that's so cool. Like, I remember just back in, when did I start the channel? I think I started posting videos back in like June. I started with, I remember having 7 subscribers. Like I'm like, whoa, that's cool. And it's just grown and constantly grown, and you guys are just awesome, man. Like, I love the feedback. I love being part of the whole Mustang community. And let me say something too. I'm not just a Ford guy. I like all types of cars. You know, we're gonna have more cars on this channel once we get this car together, and we're gonna start picking up some other things. Maybe something. I'm really trying to talk my wife into the Trackhawk, but she's not really. She's really conservative. She's the gas is what's got her bugged up. So I don't know, maybe a Camaro. Who knows? Who knows what's up with the channel for the future? But definitely gonna be some cool stuff. So stay tuned, guys. Again, I hope you liked the video. God bless.